that you are as surprised as me. So this is our new product. So you can see that we've tried to really make it as beautiful as we can. And it's really, really a new generation of product in a very convenient tube. So what do the consumer say about it? And with a very vibrant spokesperson. So you can see on screen the new print for that product. And now I would like to welcome on stage Miss Deepika Padukone.
Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen, for joining us today. I would request you all to please join us for lunch.
One friend who is in Bangalore and one friend who is in Mumbai for you, who you can depend upon.
I have about 4 or 5 very, very close friends who I've grown up with. There's Divya, who's my longest childhood friend. We're almost like sisters. She now lives in London, unfortunately, so I don't get to see her very often. Another friend of mine who was in Bombay, she's moved to LA now, Srila Rao. Yeah, I have another friend called Sneha. They're all abroad. This is not fair. There's one friend in New York. There's one friend in Bangalore called Hiteshi. Yeah. And a friend in Bombay would be Shahana Goswami and Deenu, my producer from Cocktail. True friend. A true friend? I think someone who you can trust, someone who's dependable, someone who makes you feel beautiful and special. Yeah, and someone who's there for you all the time. Bilkul, I think over the years, I've been really fortunate. I've met some amazing people. Yeah, I think today, a large part of my success is also because of these nice, warm people who have come into my life and who've been great friends.
Ms. Deepika, why do you call this product your perfect friend?
Because I think it stands for everything that I just said. I think it's a brand, it's a product that's dependable. It'll stay with me all the time wherever I go. I don't think, basically in short, I don't think it'll ever let me down. I think it'll make me feel beautiful all the time.
दीपिका, आपको ये गार्नियर का जो नया आपने ऐड शूट किया, उसका एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा? कुछ अनुभव बताइए.
I think I can very confidently say that it's one of the most fun TVC shoots that I've done. Because I think that's the energy that the TVC needed. It's all about relatability. It's about youth. It's about fun. And I think that's the kind of energy that you see in the ad film, and that's the kind of fun I think we all had when we were shooting for it. We shot over 2 days, and I was a little sad when it got over because I was going to miss the entire experience.
Obviously, Deepika can't say it, but I have to say that she's a great person to work with. We had really good fun during that shoot.
Deepika, what is the secret to your glowing and beautiful skin?
How can you even ask me that question? It's obviously the BB cream. Thanks to my association with Garnier, I've been using it for some time now. I was introduced to the product much before it even came into the market or comes into the market. So yeah, Like I said, it's something that's completely trustworthy and dependable, and it's been a great friend of mine for some time now.
Any more questions?
How is this BB cream different from the ones which are already existing in the market?
Okay, so I'll take that question. So actually, this BB cream is the first BB cream in India, which is a skincare product. So it will really give you a flawless glow and those 5 benefits, but it will really also work in the long term. So it will make your skin really more beautiful. The only other BB cream in the market today in India is the Maybelline product, which is also a very good product, but it exists in 3 shades and it has more coverage because it's a makeup product. When the Garnier Skincare BB cream is really a skincare product, so there is only 1 shade which works for everyone, and it will really give you all those skincare benefits, and it has less coverage.
Mr. Satiki, here. आपने दीपिका को ही क्यों चुना इस नए क्रीम के लिए?
I think when you look at Deepika, and when we looked at Deepika, we thought she had all the elements of being a classic beauty. She is also a beauty and style icon, and overall I think if you've seen the advertisement nicely, she's very happy. Okay, so it just blends with the brand.
दीपिका, ये तो आप एंडोर्समेंट तो करती हैं, इसके साथ साथ कुछ चैरिटेबल वर्क भी करती हैं क्या, और अगर करती हैं तो उससे आपको क्या मतलब खुशी कितनी मिलती है?
जी बिल्कुल. ओलंपिक गोल्ड क्वेस्ट एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है which was founded by my father and Mr. Geet Sethi, and we basically support upcoming sports talent in the country, and it's something that that came to me very, very naturally. Because I've been an athlete and a sports person myself, and I know the conditions that that the government offers our athletes. I believe that there's a lot of potential in our country, and unfortunately, because of a lack of resources, I feel that that potential is not used to its optimum. And so what we try to do is to collect funds for these athletes and support them for the recent Olympics, in fact, and also the coming Olympics in the coming years.
अच्छा, ये कहाँ पे है आपके centers जहाँ पे मतलब ये charitable?
It's not one center. Okay. It's wherever the athletes, right from Saina Nehwal to Gagan Narang, wherever they like to train. So Saina trains in Hyderabad. Gagan has a center in Pune, but it's wherever they are comfortable because of their coaches, because of their infrastructure and their facilities. But we make it available to them wherever they are comfortable.
Okay, thank you.
Deepika, continuing with this answer, Saina Nehwal today, she's been considered as one of the prime icon. At a very young age, she has achieved a lot. What would you like to say about it? How do you feel?
Absolutely, I completely agree with you on that. In fact, somewhere we started playing together. I remember playing a couple of matches against her as well. It's just that I think somewhere down the line, my heart was in the industry that I am in today. I think she's doing extremely well for herself. And it makes me proud because badminton is a sport that is very dear to me. And she's doing very, very well. I've always believed, and I always say this, that any brand that I endorse has to be an extension of my personality. It has to come to me naturally. For example, Garnier is a brand that I've been using since I was in school. And it's an association that I was really looking forward to for a very, very long time. So finally, when they called and they asked for an association, I was over the moon. So yes, I believe that it's an extension of my personality. Not at all.
It really, right now, Priyanka endorses one line of Garnier skincare, and Deepika, as you know, we are launching a new line of skincare with her, which is a bridge product, as Natalie said. It really depends on the products that we use, not in the foreseeable future, but we will really see how the future unfolds.
Hi Deepika, you know your next film is all about an ensemble cast. We are talking about perfect friends here. One person from the cast you can say came closest to being a perfect friend to you.
I think Saif and John, both of them. Saif because I've done many, many films with him. And so there is a comfort level when you shoot with someone for so many different films. And John as well. We've also done a film together. So I would say Saif and John.
Last question, please.
This product is really a women's product at the moment. Like Natalie said, it's a bridge product, so it has a bit of coverage and a lot of skincare properties. Now in India, males are still not using coverage products. I have not used anything on my skin. This is normal.
And I hope they never do.
Yeah?
No.
We'll have to
So
have
we
another
have
press
a Garnier
conference
for
for
Men
that.
range, which is successful with moisturizers and face washes, and John endorses that range. We're really happy with him, and we're continuing our association with John at the moment.
दीपिका, ऐसा सुनने में आया है कि आपने इस प्रोडक्ट को साइन करने के लिए लगभग 6 करोड़ रुपए लिए हैं, तो आप जो है लगभग जो है सबसे ज़्यादा पैसे लेने वाली अभिनेत्री बन गई हैं, तो क्या कहना चाहेंगे आप इस पर?
Mr. Moneyman.
नहीं, आपसे सवाल है ये.
No, I think I need to answer that. I think
करोड़पति तो आप बनी हो, तो आप बताइए.
I think this afternoon is about our association with Deepika, and I don't think we should belittle this occasion by talking about mundane things like money. Money we earn every day when we go out. I'm sure she also earns a lot of money. This is about Garnier brand, and this is about Deepika's personality. I think we should take that on a business meeting sometime separately.
I'm here to talk about Garnier today.
Thank you, everybody. Could we have the TV guys come near?
मैं बहुत कंफ्यूज हो जाती हूँ। I feel like I'm watching a tennis match.
जवाब दे गार्नियर के अलावा जो आपके कुछ बंधु सखा और कोई है जो आपको
हाँ, तो वही मैं बता रही हूँ, स्किन प्रोडक्ट्स दूसरे भी करती हैं, इसमें क्या डिफरेंस हुआ और आपने क्या सोचा कि वाकई में आपके लिए इतना ट्रेंड है आप?
जैसे मैंने कहा, आई थिंक इफ यू आर टॉकिंग स्पेसिफिकली अबाउट द प्रोडक्ट, ये एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो it gives you many things. It gives you moisturization, it gives you instant fairness, it gives you even looking skin. So it's not just one thing. Normally जब आप market में जाते हैं, you find one product for just one particular thing, whereas this is a combination of many things. And I think for today's woman who is constantly on the go and very rarely pays attention to herself, let alone her skin, I think it's the perfect product because it's something that's so tiny, it's easy to carry in your bag. And you just keep applying it every couple of hours and it gives you great looking skin and it's doing everything that your skin requires. I mean, what more can you ask for? And you don't have to worry about using a separate moisturizer and then using a separate concealer. It does everything, and the best part is that the shade that they've innovated and created it's just one shade which works for every type of Indian skin tone. So you don't even have to worry about going to a counter and wondering which shade you should use to match your skin.
गार्नियर के अलावा कोई ऐसी जो चीज़ है जो आपकी ब्यूटी में और भी निखार पैदा करती है?
I believe less is more. So I believe in not fidgeting with my skin too much. I think a healthy diet, drinking enough water. I sound like a dietitian, no? I sound like a... But it's true, this is what I do. These are, I think, the little things that eventually reflect in your aura and in your skin. So food, water and adequate sleep. And my BB cream.
दीपिका, जिस फील्ड में आपने बॉलीवुड की अगर बात करें वहाँ बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद भी आपने अपनी अलग जगह बनाई है, अलग पहचान बनाई है. इसके लिए क्या मतलब, whom do you give the credit to? मतलब वो ये तो सब ठीक है, ब्यूटी तो अंडरस्टूड, आपने क्रीम लगाया, you become beautiful, लेकिन दिमाग में चलता है.
No, we are not saying that you use the product and you become beautiful. You use the product and you feel beautiful about yourself.
Being yourself, you know, on a number one position, I'm not wrong. People appreciating your work, the way you look, the way you carry yourself. उसके लिए क्या?
I think in a situation like this, I think I would give credit one to myself because I think I am very hardworking. To my parents, they've been very, very supportive of my choice of career, as well as to move to a city like Bombay at such a young age, and of course all the people that I've worked with who've given me such wonderful opportunities.
ब्यूटी के लिए आपने गार्नियर इस्तेमाल किया, हाइट के लिए आप क्या इस्तेमाल करते?
I don't think I've really needed to do much where my height is concerned. I think because I've been into sport, I think the height just came from there. Yeah.
दीपिका, आपका प्रोमो आ गया है रेस पर, टर्निंग मतलब बहुत ही खूबसूरत लग रही है, स्टाइलिश लग रही है, तो क्या कहेंगे इस तरह से आपको लोगों से रिस्पॉन्स मिल रहा है प्रोमोस?
Well, I think the same response जो आपने कहा. It's been great. I think Race for me has been a wonderful journey. It's a different kind of film that I've done from everything else in the last couple of years, and I'm looking forward to it. It's an action thriller, and there's also a lot of glamour involved. And Race also is a franchise film. The first one did very, very well, and yeah.
दीपिका, आप यूथ आइकॉन है, आपको क्या लगता है कि एक अच्छे किरदार होना, मतलब एक अच्छा किरदार प्ले करना अच्छा होता है या फिर आइटम सॉन्ग?
I'm an actor, so definitely the roles.
New Year wish?
So soon, I don't want the year to end. Okay, so to all the viewers, a very, very happy New Year. Okay? मैं शाहरुख के साथ काम कर रही हूँ. अच्छा. Yes, जैसे मैंने कहा, post cocktail Race is my next release, so it's very important for me. It's a film that I'm really looking forward to, and yes, I think promotion these days is also very, very important. So as much time as the film requires, I'll be happy to give them that time.
Chennai Express.
Huh?
Just about Chennai Express.
I cannot tell you anything about anything else right now but Garnier.
But you're excited working with Shahrukh, SRK, Imtiaz Rai, रोमांस के कहा जाता है उन्हें.
जी बिल्कुल, पर आज हम सिर्फ गार्नियर के बारे में बात करेंगे.
अगर आपको शाहरुख को गार्नियर देना हो तो आप कौन सा देंगे?
मैं उनको बीबी क्रीम गिफ्ट करूँगी. वो वैसे भी मैं एंडोर्स कर रही हूँ तो वैसे भी यूज कर लेंगे, कोई बात नहीं. जैसे मैंने कहा, आज मैं सिर्फ गार्नियर के बारे में बात करूंगी. वील टॉक अबाउट ऑल माय फिल्म्स ऑन सम अदर प्लेटफॉर्म. ओके,
प्रोडक्ट की बात करें, आप इसी तरह की दूसरी क्रीम, दूसरे इंडोर्स भी, दूसरा ब्रांड भी इंडोर्स करती है, तो कभी डिफिकल्टी होती है कि इसके बारे में आप अच्छा बोले, गार्नियर के बारे में या किसी और प्रोडक्ट के बारे में, जो सेम प्रोडक्ट आप यूज करती हैं दूसरे भी इंडोर्स करती हैं?
नहीं, I think I'm sure you have a lot of good friends, and I'm sure that you always feel nice things and say nice things about all your friends. So there's no way I can get confused or feel differently for any of them.
दीपिका, अगर किसी को फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में किसी को गार्नियर गिफ्ट करना हो तो आप किसे करोगे?
I think to all the women. I think the minute the product hits the market, I think all the women should treat themselves and gift themselves the BB cream. Thank you.